Hello friends, we are now just going to describe my project about the link shortener. We are providing as an one tool, and we have as a we have as a huge length of the URL. So we are going to be shorten this URL and store on our database. So if you can able to multiple URL can be stored. Okay. And you can able to access from any site. Lastly, we have you can be able to find lots of URL shortener URLs, but URL codes you can be able to only access a similar time of period. After some time, they cannot be used. Okay, because this use is not available because your path is in local store. Okay, so that reason we are going to be publish this your URL shortener, this code. Then you can be able to access from anywhere. Okay, and we are using as a Flask and SQL Alchemy and SQL Alchemy. This is a two Flash SQL Alchemy as in two different libraries, and Flask is an you have already know the Flask framework. Okay, this is the three tool you need library you need to be installed before to start the projects. Okay, and you create as a first instance folder, and you this URL.db it already automatically created by the code. Okay. And second one, you need to create as a template folder, and you need to create as an index.html folder, and second one as a shortened HTML folder. And your totally main, your Python code, it will be stored in an app.py. Okay. And this is a requirement I got txt actually. It's not be required for a Python. It's actually required to deploy on renders. So this is the actually we are installing this libraries, and this unicorn is required to install on render. So after unicorn they will be install these three libraries. Okay, this is a requirement. This file is a requirement only when you are going to be deploy your websites on render. Okay, and we will be just continue our another session. Okay, see, we are install these three libraries, and you need to be start. You import Flask, render template, request, and redirect. This is the four parts, and you need to be install SQL Alchemy from Flask SQL Alchemy. Okay, and you need to be import the hashlib and basic step. This is the requirements. Okay, and we are going to be develop this code for a website. Okay, this is the totally website, and I'm just going to be shown my yes, this is already we are providing how we are going to be displayed. URL shortener, we are fast URL here, and you can be able to access URL from any browser, any server, or any site because we are providing this tool on a server side. Okay, so firstly, we are going to create as an app flash. This is a config file. We are assigned as an URL. Okay, DB URLs, DB details. Okay, this is a class for a URL mapping. We are going to map URLs. Okay, and this is our URL shortener. This is my class, and under class we are providing as in two shortener URLs method, and another one as a get original URLs. Okay, this is the two URL methods we are providing, and this is the root of the application. How actually applications work as the index. This is our index for HTML. This is a page index.html. Okay, I'm just going to show how actually. Okay, you can just you can step for, and we are already commented here for which code why which which code is working for logic. Okay, here and generate the unique short save the mapping to the database. Okay, this is three methods. Okay. This is the original URL which you are passing in text box. Okay. You are providing URL using here or isn't full URL. You are going to shorten after shorten. You are receive as a one short URL. Okay. I'm just going to be paste here one short. This is the short. Right? I'm just copying, but have any big URL, but have particular big URL. Just copying here. I'm just going to paste it here for a sample. Okay, I'm just going to shorten. Okay, once it's shorten, we will be receiving a short URL here. Okay, it will take some time maybe. Actually, it's taken huge time. Maybe it's server issue. I'm just going to be refresh the page first, and then we will be start. Actually, server is slow. We are providing an on render server. It's a free server, so it will be taken some time. Okay, now it's loaded the first stage. Okay, I'm just going to paste again same. I'm going to shorten. Okay, it will take so little less time as compared to now. Like as free server we are providing, and this is a shortened URL. I'm just click on the here, and it will be working the link. Okay, it will be work because I have already catch in here. So that reason I am going to be able to show or display this page like so. Okay, this is the link shortener. This is the page. Okay, how actually it works. I'm just going to show another root code here. This is the root code. And this is the root shortener. This is the post method. Okay, and this is the root code short code. Okay, this run app code it should be need to be removed or need to be debugged it off. This debug to off. If okay, if you are not going to debug on server. Okay. So that reason we are going to be debugging as a false on a server. Actually, you need to be on for a local for a testing purpose. Okay, you can going to be off this like we need to provide as a false to debug. Okay, currently we need to be testing testing the checking on a local server. We are providing as a proof. Okay, after some after this page, I am just going to be shown as an index page. We are using as a heading part. Okay, creating as an one form, and we are providing as an input text like text box, and second one is a button. Okay, once we are going to be providing URL in your text and click on submit, then they will be redirected on shorten page. Okay, on shorten HTML, we are providing as a body part. Okay, here as an shorten URL. H as an heading, and the second one is an original URL with the original URL we are providing here, and shorten URL. Okay, which user URL we are going to be providing the short URL. Okay, and this is another another button where you can be going to be redirect to the another page, right? Sorry. We are going to be just redirect to on index page, and you are able to again short your another URL. Okay, this is our goal, and just I'm going to be just run on it. So how it's work? Okay, Python dot app dot py. Okay, just going to be okay. Server is available. This URL. Okay, I'm just run this here. Okay, I'm just open the redirect to the URL. Okay, see, this is the same code we are posting on the server. Okay, and I'm just going to show now local. This is the URL shortcut. Okay, same. I'm just providing here as a trend line shorthand. It will be shown as a local server. Why? Because it will be it is working on local, but you cannot be able to access on the server. But you can able to access on the server level from uploaded on. Sorry, because we are provide deploy this code on server. Okay, so whenever you can going to be hit the URL, that time they will be visit on here first uh, domain. Okay, and on that domain they will be redirect to the actual your URL. Okay, but it will not be able to redirect because it will be deploy on local server. See, this is actually local server code. Okay, thank you. We will meet with you as an another product, like another code or another projects. Okay, thank you.